Hello guys! Magandang araw and welcome to my channel. I'm May and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Filipino barbecue recipe. For those new in my channel, thank you so much for visiting. I hope you'll find something delicious to make. And for those returning, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing and coming to see me again. It's summer in London now and everyone is gearing for more barbecue foods and chilling under the sun. I'm going to show you how to make this popular barbecue dish from the southern part of the Philippines in Zamboanga, Mindanao. It's called Satti de Zamboanga. It's beef or chicken barbecue sticks served with sweet and spicy gravy and some rice. When I say gravy, the Chavacanos literally drown their barbecue and rice in this stuff, wouldn't you? So let's begin cooking. In a bowl, add your beef, season it with chopped garlic cloves, then add some ground pepper and some salt. Then give it a good old mix just like this, making sure that you cover all the meat with seasoning. Don't over season your meat because we're going to make some gravy later. The last thing you want to do at this stage is cover your meat in cling film and let this marinate for 2 hours in the fridge or overnight. Now to make the satay gravy, we are going to make the paste first. Using a blender or a pestle and mortar, add tomatoes, ginger, some chilies. You don't have to add too many if you don't want it hot. Some onions. Give this a good blast until you get a paste consistency. In Mindanao, Christians and Muslim Filipinos live alongside each other. This dish simplifies the unique tie between Christians and Muslim residents. Isn't that wonderful? Heat some oil in a pan and add your satay paste. Cook this for about 5 minutes or until it's simmering. Satti de Zamboanga is usually eaten as a breakfast meal, and it's normally halal so that the Muslim customers can eat too. Now we need to add some water and bring this to a boil. Okay guys, so this next part is really important. It was going to season your satay sauce or gravy. Now that it's boiling, what we need to do is add your curry powder, some salt. In this stage you don't add the annato powder, I made a mistake here. Some turmeric. You could add the annato powder here, but it's not ideal as it turns lumpy. You can add your chicken stock now and some sugar. Bring your sauce to a boil, and the next step you can add the annato powder. Mix your thickening sauce with water and corn flour. Slowly add the mixture into your satay sauce while mixing at the same time, making sure that there are no lumps. And when you're happy with it, take it off the heat and leave it to cool on one side. So the next part of our culinary adventure, we are going to skewer our meat into the barbecue sticks. Have soaked the barbecue sticks in water for about half an hour or so that it won't burn when you're barbecuing it. So that's a tip for you. I love this barbecue recipe and I hope you'll like it too. It's different to what we normally make, but it's so flavorsome and perfect for the summer. My whole family loves it. The next part is cooking your beef skewers, and if you're adding some chicken too, make sure they are cooked through. Now the last part and the most important part is tasting. Now over to me. So guys, I have made the gravy, the satay sauce, the barbecue. I've made some beef barbecue. They are thinly sliced. It's delicious and it smells so good. I can't wait to try it. And I've also got some chicken wings. The Satti de Zamboanga is usually served with some rice. We call it poso, and it's uniquely cooked in woven coconut leaves and basically served kind of chopped up when you're ready to eat your barbecue. I bought this sushi mold from Amazon, and I basically sort of added my rice in there, and you know, kind of get this the closest to the real thing. There you go, and it pops out really nicely. Now I've got 2 rice. So the next thing I want to do is add my barbecue. I'll probably have 3 sticks, maybe 4. I'll have 4. Add some gravy. Oh, this looks delicious. I'm going to just pour it like that on there. I'm going to cut some chives in there for greens. So I'm just going to literally take a bit of this and just sort of use my scissors to just nicely cut a bit off. So the last thing we need to do is the tasting. So here we go. Cheers, guys. Mmm. Mmm. And a bit of rice. Oh yeah. I can taste the sweetness in there, and at the back I can taste the spiciness of it. It's not hot, it's mild. Bit of rice and sauce. That sauce is delicious. I can taste the gingerness in there, the turmeric, and a little bit of curry sauce as well, curry powder. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't stop eating. So good, guys. If you're serving this summer, you could have the sauce on the side, and then people can just either dip it or put it over their barbecue as a sauce, or if they really want to, they can have it as sort of like a gravy, like I did here with rice. Oh my god, I'm salivating so much, my lawa is coming out. But yeah, guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, press like and the bell so that you can get notification when I have a new video up. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye! Paalam! Drown the soup! How can you drown the bleeding soup? Thank you for subscribing.